All right, there's the last lecture for this particular section. We've learned, what have we learned? We've learned to get that subnet section, break it down into the binary bits for each position, right? First, second, third, and fourth. Draw our line with the given network prefix that we had to make our starting point. We counted for subnets from left to right like we normally would. Found that increment number, right? And we saw that we were in position number 2 that we were incrementing in, okay? By 1. So how do we lay this out? So we come down here, okay, right there, and we see that we have now, we were given this address to start with, so that's the one you need to start with. But with the new mask, how do we get 56? Well, we had 52, right? We had 16, 32, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. Then we added 4 more bits. 53, 54, 55, 56. That's how we came up with a new network prefix of 56. And then we were incrementing, or we are incrementing on the second position. And we're incrementing by what? We're incrementing by 1. So therefore, 1,000, our starting point, 1,100, 1,200, 1,300, 1,400, 1,500, 1,600, 1,700, 1,800, 1,900. Well, what happens when you go beyond the 9? What happens when you go beyond the 9? And Excel is going crazy. Okay, come over here. Did I go beyond that? No, I didn't. Okay, but if you would, because we needed, how many subs? Oh, we needed 10, so that's why I didn't stop there. 1, 2, 3, well, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we can only stop right there. This is not like IPv4. We just can't keep going just like that. We have 16 networks that we can use. All right. So if we stop at 1900, the next one would be what? A. And then the next one would be B. And then the next one would be C. And then D. And then E. That's 15 already, right? Because you got 10 right there. Not E, yeah, E, and then the last one, F, which would be 16. There would be all your 16 networks, incrementing by 1 of each, because you got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. So you got, that's the only thing that makes it a little bit complicated. All right, we're not going to get, as you see what it says right there, first level subnetting. We're not going to get into nothing deeper than that. Because right now, nobody is subnetting an IPv6. All right? Nobody. Because it's not needed for your CCNA certification. And a lot of people are still fighting that resistance to change syndrome to get into IPv6. So subnetting an IPv6, it's something that nobody has embraced yet. So I am introducing it to you, okay, that it's not that difficult, taking the IPv4 version of it and bringing it and kind of tweaking it to the IPv6 address as well, okay, for first level subnetting. So this is it. This is the diagram for IPv6 subnetting. I don't expect you to learn it right off the bat. You probably watch this video over and over and over again. That's fine. That's not a problem. Remember, it's not going to be on your test. It's not. You won't be asked to subnet on your test. But I just want you to start looking at it and start learning it. So when the time comes, you have a heads up on everybody else. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's the end of this lecture. That's the end of this section. I will be seeing you in the next section.